Hey there, are you struggling to make sense of your data on spending hours building reports manually? Welcome to Mode BI, the ultimate platform for simplifying data analysis and visualization. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced analyst, Mode BI empowers you to explore data, build interactive dashboard, and share insight with your team all in one intuitive workspace. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Mode BI to connect data source, write queries, create visualization, and collaborate very efficiently. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up Mode BI, analyze data with SQL, build stunning visualization, and share your finding with stakeholder. Now let's dive in. So first of all, let's come to the website. Just go to Google, search for Mode BI, that is a Mode Business Intelligence here. And here, let's compare the plan, right? So Mode BI gives you three plans here, the Studio, Pro, and Enterprise. You can come to the website, you can compare it yourself, and if you're thinking to buy it, there's a link given in the description. Please use that link. Now let's go and click on continue and sign in free. I will use normal Google account because it's much more easy, seamless integration here. Let's go and click on it. I will use one of the email address. By the way, you can just put a normal email address, right? And you can also use Microsoft account here. Now you have to just enter your name and your username and click on continue. So before we get started, let's break down what's make Mode BI stand out. Mode BI is a powerful analytics tool designed to help businesses unlock their potential and of their data. Right, so let's come back here. Now you can see here, create your workspace. So what's my workspace name here? I'll just write here Filex Express. Click on continue. You can also put a workspace URL. So let's say I will just write here Filex Express. And make sure it is unique. If it is unique, it will show available on the top right. Now click on create. Now here it will ask you to connect a database, right? So here you can see it gives you all this information here to connect it. Now here, for example, or search from the full list of supported database, right? So if it is not available here, you can search it and you will usually get it from here. Now, if you don't have a database credential, you can invite a teammate who does. We will send information they need to connect to this mode. So you can just also do it from here. To connect it, let's say I just want to connect with my SQL here. So I have to enter my SQL display name, right? And this is a description and just fill up all this information and click on connect. Right, so in order to ensure Mode has access to my SQL database, please make sure your firewall is configured to allow the connection from this 8 IP address. Now once you connect it, you can see here, this is how the exact interface, the dashboard look like. On the left side, you can see there's a lot of option here. We will just go one by one here. And in the discover section, you can see some of this option are already available, right? So we'll just talk one by one here. So the setup process is very straightforward even for beginners and ensure you are ready to start analyzing data right away. Now that your account is set up, let's dive into writing SQL queries. Now here how you can do it. You have to simply just go to your My Work on the left side. On the top, you will find this option which is called Write SQL Query Data for Ad hoc Report. You can just go and click on this, right? Now here you can use this SQL editor to write queries that extract the data you need. And here I will just I will just paste a normal query here and just go and click on run. As you can see here on the bottom right side corner, you will see this run. And here in the data sector, you will see in the data section, you will see that it has executed, right? I can just go and check the field section as well as the source section. So it will show me exactly what's the query which I have run here, which you can see over your screen. So this is really easy thing to do. You can just go and click on a new chart on the left side corner here. If you want to export this data, you can export it and save it as a copy. You can see here in the normal Excel, I can just copy this section, right? And there's a lot of things you will find it here. Right, so this is now, let's get back here. By the way, this is you can hide the sidebar as well as the right bar here, and you can use it the complete bigger space. Now these tools allow you to extract precise data set and prepare them from any analysis. Once your data is ready, let's turn it into actionable insight with visualization. Now here how Mode BI helps you. Now switch to visualization tab in your report. Now here you can see in the report section, before moving to next section here, you can see you can duplicate this section, you can rename this as settings, right? So you can just change the dark mode, gray mode, however you want, and just go and click on save, right? So it's really easy thing to do. If I just go and click on here, go to my work, I will just get back to the normal my section here. Now how you can get to the visualization section. So once you go to the my work here, automatically you will able to find, just make sure you will get this option of three dots. Just go and click on here, click on view report. Now the report will be shown here, but in my case this usually happen when there's a no charts in the report builder. I am in my query there was no reports, nothing in my whatever it was, right? So that's the reason I was not, there's a no report here, but I can just go and check out the data section and I can just check out the everything here. So once I created, for example, this is an index, is a sale, and there's a lot of option which I created just from a simple query, right? And this is how you can just get it to here. Now if you have a chart or something called reports, you can just you will find a lot of option, for example bar chart, line graphs, pie chart, and scatter plots, right? You can adjust color, label them, you can put axes, right? And there's a lot of filters or drill downs to make your chart dynamic and user friendly. So these tools help you to communicate insights clearly and engage with your audience. Now, sharing your finding is just as important as creating them. So, how here's Mode BI help you? You can share the reports. So, if I just go and click on the three dots here, you can see here there's a no option to share, right? But there's an option to move to archive, and there's other option too. But how I can share my work to someone else? So usually you will find the share option in two places. The first one is just go and click on view report here, and you will find the share on the top left side, right? So you can just go and click on share, you can share the link, you can put it on your Slack, you have to just integrate your Slack here, and you can also send it in the email. That is really easy thing to do. If I just go back here and if I just go and click on edit, and still I will find the share option here, so I can just go and share and do the same thing here. I can share the copy and link and share it to anybody or put it on a Slack or email, right? So this is really easy. By the way, you can just invite your team member inside your project, right, inside your workflow. So you can invite team member to comment, annotate, and contribute to the analysis. You can automate report updates to keep stakeholders informed with the latest data. So this tool ensures seamless collaboration and timely decision making. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide video. And if you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe. And if you need any help, let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.